Today's announcements are sponsored by Northwest Ohio Vision Center. Call to schedule an appointment with us today.
Hello, Bryan Middle/High School. Today is Thursday, March 22nd.
Attention students, if you are somebody who likes to explore the different cultures of the world, the Rotary Club is sponsoring a World Community Workshop that will study the history, customs, economic, and political issues of Vietnam, exploring the past, experience the now.
The event will be held at Defiance College Thursday, May 10th to Saturday, May 12th. If you're interested in expanding your cultural knowledge in a world that is rapidly diversifying, see Mr. Niese by Friday.
Okay, drivers, please remember, when your pedestrians are in crosswalks, you must yield and or stop for them. You are not permitted to roll through crosswalks as pedestrians are walking through and or exiting the crosswalk.
Tickets are on sale in the athletic office for the 35th annual 4-County All-Star Cage Classic to be played on Friday, April 6th at Bryan High School. From our school, Allye Minor, Sidney Lamberson, Zhane, Cupp, Peyton Lamberson.
My cousin.
We'll be playing. Tickets are $5 and all proceeds go to the Special Olympics.
There will be a slam dunk contest and a 3-point shoot-off contest held between the girls and the boys all-star games. Come watch the fun. Buy your tickets early. Support our players in Special Olympics.
Don't forget to order your Ike t-shirt by Sunday. The website can be seen here. And there are 2 designs to choose from. They're available in youth and adult shirt sizes. Please support Ike.
If you are a scholar athlete and have not picked up a t-shirt this year, stop in the athletic department and pick one up.
Wow.
You get one a year.
Hey, if you're a freshman or a first-year athlete, or like in a spring sport, stop by the office and pick up your sign or sticker.
There will be no weightlifting after school Friday, March 23rd.
That's
Sorry.
tomorrow.
That's tomorrow.
Today is beach day. Tomorrow's game day. Yearbook question of the day. How many volumes of Bear Facts have there been?
41.
That's correct.
Prom guest forms will be emailed to all juniors and seniors on Monday, April 2nd. Be sure to check your email for this form if you are planning to bring a date that is not a current BHS student in grades 9 through 12.
Are you currently a high school student? Girl who's looking for an opportunity to represent Bryan while helping to make a difference in your community?
Yes, of course.
The Bryan Fountain City Pageant is seeking girls in the Bryan City School District grades K through 12. This is a great opportunity to learn speaking and interviewing skills will help you build your college resume and prepare you for the future. These contestants have the opportunity to win $500 college scholarship. If you like more information, please stop by the high school office and pick up a flyer. If you would like more information, please stop by the high school office to pick up a flyer for the informational meeting, which will be held at March 25th at 2 p.m. in the United Way of Williams County office.
When we return from break, students in grades 8 through 11 will receive an electronic packet for student council and class officer. Please be thinking between now and April 2nd about running for student council, class president, or class vice president. There is no signature page this year, but you will need 3 teacher recommendations. These can be from any teacher in the building. A link in the packet will be provided, and you must provide this to the 3 teachers you wish to recommend you. Remember, you must be in good academic standing and have no suspensions for the school year.
Go Bears or go home!